When you're planning an above-ground pool, Thermo-Wall is one of our favorite upgrades to recommend. Here in New England, every degree counts. Your pool naturally warms up on sunny days, but once the temperature drops overnight, a lot of that heat can be lost through the pool walls. Thermo-Wall adds an insulating layer between the steel wall and the liner, helping retain more of that warmth so your pool stays comfortable longer. It's especially beneficial if you're using a pool heater or heat pump, since it helps hold on to the heat you've already paid to create. Thermo-Wall does more than help with temperature, too. It acts as a barrier between the liner and the steel wall, helping reduce condensation that can lead to rust and corrosion over time. It also creates a smooth, cushioned surface behind the liner, giving the inside of your pool a clean appearance while adding another layer of protection. If you're looking for an upgrade that helps improve comfort, protect your investment, and make the most of every swimming season, Thermo-Wall is an option that's well worth considering.